A variety of techniques are being used for increasing the shelf life of the perishables, such as fruits and vegetables. However, most of the techniques are not only expensive but also detrimental to health in the long run. Now, scientists at the Institute of Nanoscience and Technology, Mohali, an autonomous body under the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, have developed a carbon-based, non-toxic paper to increase the shelf life of fruits. Let's have a look at the report to get more details.
The market for horticultural crops, especially fruits, has grown considerably in the last few years. India now exports many local varieties of fruits, but due to the quick ripening of fruits, about 50% of the fruits get spoiled before they can be brought to the market, causing huge losses to farmers and traders and also increasing the price of the fruits that are left for consumption. In such a situation, it is important that the fruits remain safe and retain their original taste as they make their way from the farms to your table. For this, a variety of chemical preservatives are currently used on fruits. These include fruit preservation resins, waxes or edible polymers, which increase the shelf life of the fruit. But the toxins from these preservatives can affect the health of consumers if they are not eliminated properly. A possible solution to this has now been found by the Institute of Nanoscience and Technology, Mohali, an autonomous institute of the Department of Science and Technology. Researchers at the INST have developed a composite paper made of carbon, graphene oxide loaded with preservatives that can be used as wrappers to help extend the shelf life of fruits. The paper, prepared by a research team led by the Institute's scientist Dr. P.S. Vijaykumar, can preserve fruits for a longer period without the use of toxic substances.
The present way of fruit preservation is using sodium bisulfite. Okay, so it will release the sulfites. That sulfite goes to the fruit, and the quinone that is available in the fruit is converted to sulfoquinone. Okay, quinone sulfide. So here what we are doing is we are using carbon substrate which is having high surface area. So on this high surface area carbon nanomaterial we are having the preservative. Okay, and this preservative cum carbon substrate composite we are making into a wrapper. So this wrapper have the ability to release these preservative slowly.
To develop this non-toxic and reusable wrapping paper, the team allowed carbon matrix to incubate with the preservative. After 24 hours, the resultant was washed several times to remove the extra preservative. The wrapper ensures that the fruit is not loaded with preservatives. The paper releases the preservative only when it is needed, that is, when the acidity in the fruit starts increasing. This process conserves the preservatives in the wrapper and therefore it can be used to preserve the next batch of fruits. The wrapper has been tested on bananas for now and the test has been a success. The researchers believe that the technique may be effective on other fruits as well. This study of the Indian scientists has been published in the research journal ACS Applied Materials and Interfaces.
Due to this antioxidant property of this preservative, it will reduce the browning, like it will delay the process of polymerization of lignin, which actually cause the browning of the fruits. So with the help of this wrapper, we can extend the shelf life from like up to 13 to 15 days for any kind of fruits.
This innovative technology will help in increasing the shelf life of fruits in an easy and cost-effective manner, benefiting both growers and sellers. Also, the use of antioxidant substances will ensure that the product is healthier when it reaches the end consumer. While this innovative technology developed by the Institute of DST is compatible with the Make in India initiative, it is also going to give impetus to the Government of India's campaign on doubling the income of farmers by the year 2022.